everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is IBRAHIM and today I'm gonna make a Turkish dessert, un helvası, that means flour halva. My ingredients are a half cup of oil, a cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of water, 100 mg butter, and some walnuts. Firstly, I will make sherbet, so I will use water, milk and sugar. I make the sugar, water and milk. Now I am heating the sherbet and at the same time I will start to make halva. So firstly I should melt the butter. Now I melt the butter and I will add the oil. Then I am adding the flour and I am mixing it. Now my sherbet starts to boiling and I should stop heating it. I am mixing and heating the halva maybe for 10 minutes and this is its shape. I will heat more and continue to mixing. Now you will see the shape of halva after 15 minutes. I'm still mixing and heating. Here's an information to you. If a person dies, halva is served to the guests that comes for condolence. We have a different tradition, I know, but this is true. I'm mixing for 20 minutes and now I'm adding the walnut. Just a minute will be enough for this walnut. Now I will add sherbet, but you should be careful because you know it's hot and it may be dangerous. Now I'm still mixing to have a better consistency. You can understand that it's okay when halva don't stick to the spoon. I think heating is enough and now I will put halva in the plate. I will use this to give a better shape. You see, halva is ready. Now you saw that it is easy to make helva, but you should be careful when you are adding sherbet to the helva because it is a bit dangerous, and I don't want you to hurt yourself because of me. See you!